Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy ombre nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this iridescent white and purple polish by Oily called Naked Canvas, this purple by Creative Play called Drama Mama, and my favorite white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. And I'm going to use my Booty BC04 nail plate to do the ombre. So I'm going to apply the purple in the middle of this pretty nail stamp design, and I'm going to put the whites on the side. And then using my scraper, I'm just going to blend the colors to create the ombre. I'm not going to go crazy, because if you go crazy, then the colors will become one. And I want to see the difference in the colors. That's what I like doing with my ombre nail stamp designs. And I didn't go crazy. I could have went crazy, but I didn't, because I just love the background color. That polish is such a pretty polish, and I thought it looked so good with it. But if you want, you can add as many colors doing an ombre stamp design. As you can see, I finished off with a quick dry top coat, and here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.